We are reading Science Book Spotlight for preschool kids. The lesson 1 is plants. There are 4 kinds of plants. The first one is climber. Climber is a climbing plant. They climb from root to upward. And the other one is bushes. Bushes are short plants. Is a medium-sized plant. The third one is grass. Grass is a small plant. And other one is tree. Tree is a big plant. So if we see from the root, the climber plant climbs upward and it also goes horizontal. The bushes go upward and it is medium size. Grass is small size plant and trees are big plants. Here is an assessment activity. Color the picture. We will color the grass, which is small plant, and bushes, which are medium sized plant, and a tree, big tree, because tree is a big sized plant.